Look at this. Is this a channel fish? Look at this. Is this a comet fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a broom fish? Look at this. Is this a red devil fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a comet fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a comet fish? Look at this. Is this an eel?
Yeah!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a broom fish?
Yes!
Little lamb, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went,
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
and everywhere that Mary went,
Goodbye!
Yeah!
it followed her to school one day,
Woohoo!
It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Goodbye!
It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it
Look at
out.
this.
And so
Is this
the
a comet
teacher
fish?
turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till
Look at
Mary
this.
did
Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Goodbye!
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children
Look at
cried.
this. Is this a koi fish?
Loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Little lamb, little lamb, little.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish. Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye!
Mary had a little lamb.
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
It followed her
Goodbye!
to school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play. Laugh
Look
and
at this.
play, laugh
It is
and
a red
play.
devil
It
fish.
made the children laugh and play to see a lamb.
Woohoo!
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it
Look
out.
at this.
And so
It
the
is a
teacher
jaguar
turned
cichlid
it
fish.
out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this.
Why
It is a
does
red
the
devil
lamb love
fish.
Mary so, Mary so, Mary so. Why does the
Yeah!
lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The
Look at this.
teacher did
It is a comet fish.
Yeah, boy.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little.
Goodbye!
Yeah!